Hello.
Hello.
So this is more of a goodbye video than a hello video. So we've come to the end of our 3 weeks at Grace Cement Play Farm for a workaway. Yeah, it was quite nice. For the first one we got quite a nice one. We enjoyed the kind of work we did. We did some woodworking and did some DIY and repairs and maintenance on my
Social
side.
media and herbs.
Yeah, some website kind of stuff, updatings and all that kind of nice stuff. Yeah, had a lot of fun as well. Spend the weekends driving around and exploring the area and seeing other places. So yeah, it was quite nice.
It was really a beautiful first workaway.
Yeah,
I really enjoyed it.
yeah, and all the animals as well. So
Mm. Yes, it's just they gave my allergies a bit of a run for my money, but it's okay. It's okay. I think my immune system should be extra strong now.
yeah,
Yeah, like 4 cats and 4 dogs. Like I really
yeah,
got, and these are farm animals. Like they roll in the
in the dust.
grass and in the dust, and then they come and sit
Yeah,
on your lap.
yeah, yeah. They're used to the outside life. Yeah,
Yes.
but it was nice going on walks with them actually,
Yeah,
and
it was
yeah,
so nice.
the dogs and the cats.
Yes, dogs
Uh,
and the
Yeah,
cats.
yeah.
Yeah,
We left the chickens
and the sheep.
and the sheep at the house, just to be sure we don't get get unwanted guests.
Yeah, but I think
Uh,
it'll be nice to, like after a year or so, like come and check the place out again. Like in front of the unit that we were staying, I planted a garden, so I put a lot of rose geraniums in there and lavender. So it'll actually be nice to see after some time when you come back, like, how did they grow up?
yeah, what happened to them? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, and they've got a lot of plans and things they want to implement and change and add to it. So it'll be interesting to see how that goes
How it turns
and how
out.
it ends up. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a lot of building work that they're busy with at the moment. So yeah,
Hmm.
and then yeah, it was quite a good host and hostess. She taught
Hostess.
taught us a lot of different things.
Yeah, really a
And,
beautiful person,
yeah,
like really,
mm,
really amazing. It was such
mm,
an awesome experience.
yeah,
It was like being part of the family. It
mm,
was really a beautiful experience.
yeah,
And I loved the whole like sitting at, the dinner table together and, it's like old school discussing how was your day, checking in. It was really beautiful.
lots of herbal teas,
Lots of herbal teas. It was
yeah,
really
veggies
amazing.
from the garden.
Yes, picking your own salad. It was really
Yeah,
amazing.
some nice soups when it was cold. So yeah,
Yeah.
mm,
So we'll see you guys in the next video on our next
mm,
adventure.
yeah.
So yeah, chat again soon.
Till then, ciao.
Bye.